Hey guys, if you're using Cursor as your main editor and want Anthropic's powerful agentic tool, Claude Code, running straight inside your workspace, setting it up takes less than 2 minutes. So first, let's open Cursor and install the official command line package globally. So you need to, of course, log in and press Ctrl+ on Windows to open Cursor's integrated terminal panel. Then we just need to use this command right here. Let me show you this one right here. And this installs the official Anthropic Claude Code package globally across your system, so Cursor can launch at any time. Alternatively, you open up your Claude, go to extensions with this icon, then search for Claude here and just choose install right here from the menu. And then we just connect your Anthropic account to start up your workspace session. So inside the Cursor terminal, just type in Claude and press enter. Cursor will prompt you with an authentication link. Press enter to launch your default browser, log into your Claude Pro or any other account and click authorize. Then you just switch back to Cursor, open your projects folder and type /init into the terminal. And Claude will scan your project and build a custom claude.md memory file to your workspace. That's it for this one, guys. Enjoy.